Sky 4 was over several testing sites today where we've seen longer lines of cars. A site in North Dallas went from testing 200 people on average last week to more than 700 people yesterday. And today, some workers there quit. The positivity rate in Texas is nearly 16%, the highest since August. But there's more promising news about hospitalizations coming out of the UK today. Fox 4 Stephen Dial live in Dallas tonight with the story. Stephen.
Steve, this week has been filled with people getting COVID tests. Some are doing it because they want to know their status before joining friends and family this weekend. Others are actually just sick and testing positive. There is some encouraging news out of the UK. Early studies show that while the Omicron variant is heavily contagious, less people are being hospitalized.
It has gone like a rocket ship right off the platform today.
At Neighborhood Medical Center in far north Dallas, hundreds of people hoping to get a COVID-19 test had to be turned away. The clinic, which averages about 200 tests a day last week, administered 700 tests Wednesday. By Thursday, some workers quit from exhaustion.
Our staffing has just been so difficult. We've had people just leave out of sheer exhaustion. We're running 7 days a week. We're running from 7 a.m. to about 7 p.m. People are just exhausted. We just can't keep staff because they're just so worn out.
The clinic says about a quarter of all the people coming in for a test are testing positive.
Our positivity rate has gone through the roof.
Similar scenes are playing out at testing sites across North Texas. At Northwest Highway in Abrams, an abandoned gas station turned testing site saw cars lined up along the road as people waited for their tests.
Omicron is definitely here in Texas, and it has a foothold, and we're going to see cases go up significantly.
New cases from the Omicron variant nationwide are already outpacing cases during the peak of the Delta wave. Dr. Anthony Fauci predicts the U.S. could see as many as 1 million new cases a day. The warnings aren't stopping millions from traveling across the country for Christmas. Air travel is back to pre-pandemic levels.
We just like to travel. We canceled so many trips during COVID and all that, so it's really nice to get back out and do all this.
Dulce Calderon says this is her first time she's flown since 2019.
I stayed at home.
Well, why'd you stay at home?
Because of the pandemic.
But even with an expected explosion in cases after Christmas, early data is showing Omicron infection is putting a smaller percentage of people in the hospital. The UK's health authority on Thursday said people infected with Omicron are 50 to 70% less likely to require hospitalization. Though, with a variant this contagious, hospitals will likely still become overwhelmed.
And if you amplify that certain number by a factor of 10 or 100, then that's that many more individuals that could be in the need of medical care and hospitalization.
And Dr. Casanova from the Dallas County Medical Society says that hospitals are already bracing for impact, expecting increased numbers in the next couple of weeks. He says there is some also encouraging news with our unusually warm Christmas weekend that we're going to have here in North Texas. He says that more people possibly will be outside or open their windows for more air circulation. Steve?
Hadn't thought of that. That's a good point. All right, Stephen Dow, live tonight. Thank you.